Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, trip computer, child safety locks, clock, power brakes, electronic brake force distribution, overhead console, tachometer, roll stability control, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.